Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's stay in court began with the conclusion of his remand in the Enforcement Directorate's custody. Facing allegations regarding the Delhi liquor excise policy case, Kejriwal appeared before the Rouse Avenue Court bench to continue proceedings. According to sources, the Enforcement Directorate sought an extension for Kejriwal's remand, citing his alleged lack of cooperation with their probe. However, Kejriwal countered, asserting that the 31,000-page document compiled by the ED lacked substantial evidence or accusations against him to justify his arrest. The Enforcement Directorate requested Kejriwal's judicial custody, citing no immediate need for further interrogation. Additional Solicitor General S.B. Raju represented the ED in court. The Rouse Avenue Court decided to send Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal to judicial custody until April 15th. Upon arriving at the court, Kejriwal criticized PM Modi, stating that his actions were detrimental to the country. This latest development comes after the ED's previous request for remand, where they highlighted Kejriwal's allegedly evasive responses during interrogation. The ED also mentioned that they were analyzing data from one of Kejriwal's wife's mobile phones and were yet to extract data from 4 other digital devices seized from Kejriwal's residence on March 21, 2024. The case against Kejriwal stems from allegations of irregularities and money laundering associated with the annual Delhi excise policy of 2022. Originating from a report by Delhi Chief Secretary Naresh Kumar, the case has been a point of contention, with Kejriwal's arrest sparking political debate. As Arvind Kejriwal's legal battle continues, the case serves as a reminder of the intricate nexus between politics and law shaping the landscape of Delhi's governance.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.